Hello, I am Nitesh Pradhan from LabView and Multisim. In this video, we will design move and delete sub VI. We will use move and delete functions to clean up our folder. As a LabVIEW programmer, you know when we try to create any kind of projects using LabVIEW, so for that we create so many different kind of VIs and we create so many different kind of folders. Okay. Also we create different kind of images like RFT image, .bin image, JPG image. Okay. After creating all this kind of image, you want to delete all those images and you want to move your VI from one location to another location, so you can use this sub VI. So let's start. Come into the block diagram, take a case structure, right click in front panel, come here and take error in and take error out. Now again come into the block diagram, connect your error in and error out like this. Come into the error, just pass your error out. Now come into the no error. Again come into the front panel. Now come into the ring and enum, take a enum, place here. Okay, and now write desired action. Desired actions, right click, edit item. Now fill, now put here two item, move, sorry, first delete and move. Okay, now we had inserted two item, delete and move, then hit the OK button and let's come into the block diagram. In the block diagram, right click, take one more case structure. You can use this case structure from this location also. Now one is the move and another one is delete. So right click, come here, come into the file IO, pin in this file IO, there is advanced file functions. Click here. Now you will get delete option here. Right click, create control. Now if there is any kind of error will come out, so we will take this error out like this. Now come into the move sections and again take a move functions from here and place here. It will be a source path. Now we need one more path, target. Create control and keep it outside. Now our program is ready. Now we will create one sub vi and we will check it. So first we will check. First we will create a sub vi. Let's create one sub vi first. Okay. So for the creating sub vi, select all and come into the edit and create sub vi. Right click, open the label. Right now it is untitled sub vi. Okay. Control A, Control U. Here I'm going to double click here. It will open my sub vi. So here I am going to right click, browse option, file or existing. Again I am going to show you, right click, file or folder, new or existing. Here right click, browse options. Okay. Here target path only for move. Sorry. Okay. Right. Only for move. Here right click, come here and try to disconnect all terminals. Right click, patterns, 3 input, and this one. Click, select here, select here. You can select this one, error out, and this one. Now right click, come into the edit icon, select all, delete. Now right here, move and delete, the OK button. Now save it. Now I am going to save this program. Here making new file, move, delete, move and delete, move and delete sub vi. Okay. Now time to check the performance of our move and delete vi. So here I am opening my file. Now you can see there is my main vi, get simulated vi, this kind of VIs are present. Here I will try to delete this test and main vi. Okay, so for that I will come here, I will right click, now come into the select of vi, take move and delete sub vi, open the label, create control, right click, create, control. Now here I will try to delete my one folder. So for that I will browse. I'm going to this subvi. I will try to delete this test. Okay, save it and now run. Let's see. Now you can see the test .txt file has been deleted. Now I will try to move this main vi from this page to this file IO. Okay, so let's come here. Here I will right click and create control. Now here I will target. I will click this, select this file IO, and I will hit this current folder. After that, here I will select my main vi and I will select. Then I will select the save button. I will click the save button. Now we can run. Let's come here and check. Now you can see. Okay, sorry. Here I have selected delete. Now I need to select move first, and here I will try to. Here I will try to move this get simulated data from here to here. So I will select this get simulated data, save. Now run. Let's see. Let's check it. Okay, now you can see. So our vi is working perfectly. So thank you for watching this video. If you like, so please like and share this video with your friends, and you can use this logic. So thank you for watching this video.